Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy instance component in Framer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first we need to find the component we want to copy from your canvas. You can tell it's an instance because it will have a purple icon, so like this one right here in the layer panel rather than a standard frame icon. Now select this instance on your canvas. Shortcut is Ctrl C, or on the Mac CMD C. Press it and then navigate to the page of Frame where you want the new version. So let's here Ctrl V on Windows and CMD V on Mac to paste it, and you will see it right over here. Now if you want to copy the instance within the same page, what you can do is just hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, click it and just simply drag it right here, and as you can see it's now over here, and I can put it over here if I want, so it's now here. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can copy instance in Framer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next